Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get mods in Scary Baboon. This is working in 2026, requires no PC and no Discord. This is literally a Scary Baboon code you can redeem in-game, and it is going to unlock a secret mod menu. So this is no third-party install or anything like that, guys. This is literally going to unlock a developer mod menu that already exists in the background. So before I show you how to get mods in Scary Baboon, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for new and updated Scary Baboon mods and stuff. So let's get into the tutorial and show you how to do this, guys. What you need to do is use your mobile internet browser. Like I said, this is a no PC method and it does just use a promo code. So head on over on your mobile internet to www.crashcoupons.com. So spell it like this, Crash Coupons. And essentially, guys, what this is going to do, it's going to bring you to a game code website. Now, they do have a bunch of codes on here. They have Animal Company, they have Gorilla Tag, they of course have Scary Baboon. So what I'm going to do is navigate to the Scary Baboon codes page using the search bar. And once you reach this page, you can see thousands of people have been using these codes. They're very highly rated. The mods code is probably the best one. So this is going to get access to a secret mod menu in Scary Baboon. Like I said, guys, this is a simple code you can redeem in-game, and it is going to unlock a developer mod menu. Now, I have already done this, and I believe it limits one code per user. So what this is going to do, this is going to give you a code, but as you can see, it is hidden. So the full Scary Baboon code is locked. Now this basically prevents people stealing the 200 codes remaining, so you can only do this once. So what you need to do is click on this button and simply follow the instructions on this screen to unlock your mods in Scary Baboon. It only takes about 5 minutes, guys, and this is the reason you need to do this on your mobile. It just makes it a lot easier. You need to complete 2 of the offers below. Essentially, guys, these tasks are completely free. It is just very important you follow the instructions for the 2 that you choose, and this will verify you are not a robot. So you're going to have tasks that are basically mobile applications where you just have to install and open them. You may see mobile games, you may see free surveys as well. They're all completely free, really easy. Complete 2 of those and it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. Like I said, I have already done this previously, but if you do everything correctly, your code will be revealed. And once you redeem it in Scary Baboon, that is going to get you access to the secret mod menu. So that is it, guys. Go to Crash Coupons. That is definitely the fastest and easiest method to get mods in Scary Baboon. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.